the stand up. No, tell me now. What did you want to say? Happy Friday.
I was just gonna say it's Good Friday, so
Oh, it
Good
is
Friday
actually
to
Good
you.
Friday. Yeah.
So
Okay.
what's gonna happen on Sunday? He's risen.
Pascua.
He's risen indeed. You gotta
Pascua
say that.
in Spanish.
Oh, what is
Well,
it?
Pascua.
Pascua.
Yeah,
Okay.
and in Russian we say Pascha. And you
Nice.
guys, Easter. No, you're wrong.
So
Yeah,
what I was attempting to tell Sergey is this demo day, but
it is.
I don't have a demo prepared and I'm not going to make a fool of myself. So
Yeah,
I'm just going to admit it and
yeah,
own it
yeah.
and hope that Sergey has something amazing to show us today.
But what if I didn't?
Then I would fumble through a demo. I would do some learning on the air
On the air.
with my
No,
friend Sergey.
I mean, listen, we've all been there many, many times doing all of this stuff. Anyway, let's. Okay, I'm gonna start sharing the screen. Just to give me 1 second. I need to open the repo to make sure that I'm not showing you something weird. Because there are weird things on my computer. Okay, so where's share? You know that I am not a huge of AI fan.
Not yet, but you're becoming
Yeah,
one.
yeah, I'm trying to convince myself. We fought in the morning today a lot on the problem, and it was me again who found the issue. And every time I think maybe I explained it wrong, and then no. And so what happens is I have AI on the deep mode, like on a high, whatever, deep, nah. So it's thinking so long that by the time it comes to conclusion, by the time it runs the test, inspects everything and all of that, me going through the files already finds the problem. so, so
Did
I'm
it
like,
find the
you're
correct solution
useless.
though?
What?
Did it find the correct solution?
Yes, when I asked for solution, I had two options and it gave me the third one, which was kind of combining both. And I was like, oh, okay, well, it's elegant. I needed to learn about certain things. So I was happy about that. I love to learn. I love, when I have an opportunity to it's easy with AI. Just, select what you want and then say explain, and it just explains it to you.
Explain it like I'm five.
If I
Do you
don't
have
get,
that?
I usually go into
Yeah.
that route, but I usually get what it says. So, okay, today's demo is for people who don't want to write any code, but they have ideas. So, it can be anything. It can be product manage. I mean, anything. No, it can be anything, period. I don't need even to list people because I don't want anybody to feel offended that, they weren't in the list. Anybody now can write code with Copilot well, obviously you can go into Copilot itself, open it, and ask what you want, to do,
Sure.
like what do you want it to do. But if, for example, that's why I always come back to product manager role or somebody like not non-engineering, let's say,
Sure.
who don't have like code locally. They Copilot now has integration with Linear.
Ooh.
Yeah, so I have my Linear here. So all I needed to do is follow Copilot documentation, which is very, very straightforward. There were 5 steps, I think, and it took me less than 2 minutes to have my Copilot and Linear integrated. You just need to allow Linear to make any changes and
Sure.
authorize each other to do the magic. And after that, it was I read the description of what I need to do. And again, you don't need to do a lot. You just click in Linear if you use Linear. If you don't, you need to use Linear. Click create an issue, explain what you want, like literally just explain. And I typed it. This came in my mind like about 4 minutes ago, right before the demo. Implement airport city code function. Create a function airport city code, which takes the code, which takes an airport code. Obviously, you can make mistakes and typos and stuff. It doesn't care. An airport code is a parameter, example, or JFK, MIA, and returns the name of the city where the airport is located. Right.
And are you giving it any kind of like database to go look it up, or are you just gonna let it figure it out?
You go. You go, girl.
I love
Whatever.
it. I love it. Yeah.
The simplicity of all of this is all I need to do is just assign it to GitHub Copilot.
Ooh, do it.
After I do this, I click create an issue and issue is created. This is on Linear. And you can already see that Copilot is working. Copilot using my account, whatever. You can send me an email if you want. I don't mind. I'll block you. But yeah, you can see that already. So you definitely need to specify when you integrate and you telling Linear to what repos it has access to.
Sure.
So obviously my ticket is lame. This is a lame ticket. I hope nobody is creating tickets like this because it needs to have more information, right? Like it, if in the real world there would be way more descriptions, like it has to take a string only, add validation. I actually forgot to add that. Please also write tests for this. I forgot to add it, but it's okay. The cool thing
It
is
may
like,
write some tests. We'll see.
oh, it might. Yeah, it may. So I already have work in progress PR open in my repo, in my personal repo. This is public. You can go and see. I don't care. Like, I really don't care. This one is public. And yeah, it starts working. It assigns you already get a notification, right? So the PR is open. And you just take some time to drink coffee or do something else productive. I'm going to drink coffee because, that's why I have this thing.
Or go grind some coffee. You got your
Yes.
grinder.
Yeah, I do this every morning.
Yeah.
I enjoy it a lot.
Oh,
But
look.
and it created tests even. So, but let's see what happened on. Also, as you can see, a Copilot moved it from backlog to in progress. So Copilot is taking care of moving the ticket to appropriate columns, which is amazing. I'm still waiting for a specific message, even though on this side I see that it's
Looks like it's still in
kind
draft.
of
Still
ready,
too, though.
but yeah. So it's gonna be. I think it's always gonna be in draft, but work in progress should be removed. I believe. I might be wrong. Maybe not. Let's see. Usually, how I did while I was playing with this is you wait for the message on Linear to pop up, the separate message that the code is ready for review. We're probably not gonna be waiting because
And
we
does
don't
it
have.
assign it back to you to review it?
I mean, I'm already here. I'm
You're
already
already
assigned.
assigned.
Yeah,
Gotcha,
I'm
gotcha.
already assigned because like I am the one who creates it, and Copilot is doing. Okay, so cool, dude. What? Oh, it
running the
updates
tests.
something. Oh, it runs the old tests. Okay. Okay. Oh. I
It
don't know.
looks like you're getting your summary there.
Yeah. Yeah. The deep search. Case insensitive lookup. Ooh, good job. I mean, listen, there's something what could be a requirement, right? Can be a requirement that because the city code, an airport code is usually all capitals.
Yep.
I mean, not usually, it's all capitals always. But you see, because I didn't specify that, Copilot was like, we're gonna make it, user friendly.
Give it a shot. Yeah, I wonder
Yeah.
if it accounts for like special characters or like spaces before or after the name. Like that'll be interesting to see if it accounted for that or if we need to like further specify.
Well, look, it has test for covering known codes or JFK case insensitivity, unknown codes, empty string, and white space padded codes.
There it is, white space.
Look at me writing a function with tests.
Sergey, what is it? Is it this one?
Is
These
this
are balloons.
one?
Oh,
Is this one? And literally not doing anything. Again, it doesn't. Again, you like I said, you can go ahead and do your things, and it obviously he's writing. Let's see, maybe there file changes. Let's see. Okay. So already I have a first comment. I would love it to use a library. So I would
Okay.
like it to have a library of imported library, because this hard coded stuff, no, I'm not buying it.
Okay. Well, let me ask this. I'm gonna play devil's advocate here. So hard coded is good because it's
Yeah.
in your system.
Yeah.
But if you decide I'm going to use a library, what if someone goes and taints that library and puts some
Well,
malicious code in there, like Axios this week
of course.
got in
Yeah.
trouble?
Oh, really? Okay.
I mean, like a supply chain attack where some North Korean hackers went in and basically there were 2 or 3 hours where if you installed Axios like via npm install and you got a specific version, like you've got bad stuff on your computer or in your CI pipelines. It was only for like a 3 hour window. Most of us were sleeping here in the U.S., but it's scary.
But the test about the white spaces to be identified. Well, this is where you see the beauty of AI to make sure that tests pass always.
Yeah,
It made sure that it passed. And obviously you can go ahead and modify and ask, to fix it more and stuff. But before that, I had another ticket created, a simple linear calculator function. So when it's finished, it actually hides everything and it looks like this when it's finished.
nice.
And then you go to the PR, and when it's finished, again, you reviewer, again, double work in progress is removed. It's in draft. You're required to look at it. I think calculator was a little more fun. I mean, kind of. Division by 0 is not allowed. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, just okay. Well, yeah. So this is what I wanted to demo. That you can now integrate Copilot with the linear and have so much fun with this. And please do. Also, we don't have obviously time, but you can do the same in Slack.
Just with
In
the
Slack.
a slash command.
Yeah, the you call GitHub and then you say Copilot, and then again you specify what repos you want it to work, and you can. I did this. I had in Slack channel. I asked Copilot to add README to my file, to my repo, and it
Nice.
just went ahead and did that. So yeah,
Magical.
without
I
writing
mean,
anything. Obviously, I will need to rewrite this because this is not perfect.
yeah.
But
Well, I mean, I think what's cool, right, to show off is like these are first class integrations. Like you could have done this 3 months ago, 6 months ago, but you've got to basically wire up all these external things to go do these things. And now these tool vendors are basically baking this into the product so you don't have to build some crazy add-on or plug-in or anything
yeah,
like that. It's just there
it's
and
just there,
it's
out of the box.
magical.
Yep. So that's it. That's
Were
what
you
I have
able to
today.
choose? Were you able to choose your model? Let me ask that question. When you assign that ticket,
No, I did. I mean, you probably can specify. Like again,
gotcha.
this is just the demo of showing the working integration, but obviously you have to specify everything, what you want to use in what folders, like everything.
Gotcha.
And we all know that with AI, the input is the most important part. So
I mean, the output's very important too, but yeah, input, what you're feeding it, will
yeah,
require how good your output is. For sure.
exactly. So
Great
yeah,
demo.
thank you. Thank you very much. And on this note, we're not gonna take any more time because we are out of time. Have a nice weekend.
You as well, bye everybody.
Thanks. Bye.